welcome to Kim's Creations. I have 8 ounces of resin that I have just mixed up, and I am going to decant 1 ounce into each of these, and I'm going to attempt a 3D bloom. I am going to experiment with the new Bloom Paste by Julie Cuts with Pouring Your Heart Out. And I'm also going to use the new High Tide Piggy Paste from Fluid Art Company, and this little piggy. So these are the 2 that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to try and divide this up. It's hard to tell. White on clear. I think that's pretty good. Put the rest in here. Scrape all this goodness out. Okay. Just going to wipe off my stick. Keep it nice and clean. And I'm just getting another paper towel ready with some isopropyl alcohol. There. All right, so let me torch out bubbles. They can do their thing. All right, I am going to put down my inks. I'm using Brea Reese in teal and ultramarine blue. I'm gonna put the teal in the center of each one. We'll do 2 drops. Okay, that might have been 3, I don't know. All right. I love how that spreads out. Okay. Whoa. Now with the Bloom Paste, on the back it does say to put 1 drop per 10 milliliters of resin. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, so I am going to put 3 drops in. All right. I gave the lid a half twist so that I can get small drops. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 3 drops. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and match the white of this with the piggy paste over here so that we get something fairly consistent. And I'm going to use a plastic blue stir stick so that we can see how this white looks in terms of its opacity. And it's supposed to be semi-transparent. Okay, See, it goes on white and then stretches out to pretty semi-transparent. All right, piggy paste. I have a very skinny popsicle stick. I'm gonna dunk it in. I'm just gonna stir this stuff around, might as well. It's super thick. And I am going to scrape off both sides. I have not scraped around the edges though, okay? And I'm just going to stir that in. Okay. I'm going to take the stick out, wipe it off, and get a new stir stick, a matching stir stick. Let me move this over here. So this one might be a little bit more opaque. I don't know. Yeah, this one's a little bit more opaque. So I should have scraped off the stick a little bit more, but we're gonna work with it and see what happens. So, I'm gonna put this. All right, I have piping bags ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna start with the piggy paste. Just taking my piping bag, wrapping this all up. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna snip off the end. And I'm going to just go round in a circle. Or a circle type fashion. Okay. That's that one. I'm gonna do this one now. And again, I'm gonna go round. Just adding a little more in there. All right, that's those two. I'm just gonna spread that out and that out. Okay, now I'm going to come in. I'm not touching the bottom. I think I should do that one again. So I'm just doing 12, 6, 3, and 9, going into the center. And then from the inside, I'll come back out, wiping my stick off in between each pass. And then I'm going to do a quick little circle in here. And hope for the best. All right, this one, same thing. And then last but not least, my little swirl. Okay, that'll do it. So this was with the Bloom and this is with the Piggy Paste. We'll be back when these are cured. Back to unmolding. So this one was with the Bloom and this one was with the High Tide Piggy Paste. I'm going to start with the Bloom. See how we did. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that turned out really well. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. That was a success. Yay. That was with the Bloom. All right, High Tide Piggy Paste. This one, admittedly, I think I put a little too much of the paste in there, but let's see. Okay. Ready? Okay, it worked, but I just had too much paste and it got a little blobby. So, of the two, this was a major success. This one, almost. It was working on it. But I will do it again and adjust. This here was pretty darn perfect though. So I'm very excited by that. Yay. So I would definitely suggest that if you are struggling with the blooms like I was, getting Bloom that you can get on Amazon from Julie Cuts Pouring Your Heart Out. It's in the Amazon store, so get that. And I think you'll have great success with it. So now I can't hardly wait to make more. Yay! All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this experiment. Super excited with that one. Looking forward to working a little bit more with this one and making adjustments. But yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Certainly appreciate the thumbs up. And if you're a new viewer, please hit that subscription button. And the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. All right, have a great day, everyone. Till the next time, bye for now.